What is an HVAC load calculation and why is it important? By Hayes Cooling and Heating. It is often assumed that if you are simply replacing an older HVAC system, that buying the newest model is good enough. However, this assumption is dead wrong. In fact, one of the most important steps to installing and purchasing any new HVAC system is having HVAC load calculations completed first. And by simply reaching out to a professional HVAC installation and service company to have a load calculation completed prior to purchase and installation can save you tons of money each month. What is a load calculation? An HVAC load calculation is a mathematical process for measuring several aspects of a building in order to determine the best size, application, and style of HVAC system. The purpose is to ensure energy efficiency while also maximizing comfort inside any home. Load calculations have been completed for several years. However, with new technology come quicker and more consistent methods to complete this important step. Load calculations will check several specific areas to find the right-sized system, including verify the total square footage of the property, count how many windows, doors, and entryways there are for a property, check the insulation, not only the location, but what type of materials, how it's installed, and even the density of the insulation used. How many floors a home has and how much living space versus attic space is available. What landscaping is outside the home that can block the sun from entering the house. Window shades, blinds, or other household treatments are used in order to keep the sun out. The condition of the ductwork, the size of the ductwork, and the vent systems. As you can see, there are several factors that go into completing a load calculation. Why is having a load calculation so critical? Just as there are several factors that go into factoring load calculations, there are a number of reasons why you need to have one completed if you intend on buying or installing any new HVAC system. A load calculation will pick the right size system for maximum efficiency and comfort, help you find a system that will consume less energy each day to produce better results, help you consume less energy and lower your monthly utility bills, help HVAC companies diagnose large-scale issues that need to be repaired or fixed prior to the installation of the new unit, and can save you money on routine service calls, homeowners insurance, and other common monthly expenses. Is it expensive to have a load calculation completed? In a word, no. In fact, many HVAC companies will offer free estimates and offer load calculations as part of their overall service. The key is to simply ask your Phoenix Air Conditioning and Heating Company to determine what offers they provide customers. There are many resources available for homeowners to learn more about load calculations. One of the best is energy.gov, where you can read about the process involved in HVAC load calculations and why it's more critical these days to have it completed. If your home or business is in the Phoenix Valley and you're looking for a reliable AC and heating company, call Hayes Cooling and Heating today at 602-482-0229 or visit hayescoolingandheating.com. It pays to call Hayes.